Have you ever wanted your iPhone to appear in a completely different location without actually being there? Maybe you're testing a location-based app, checking how location sharing works, or wondering if apps like Find My and WhatsApp Live Location can display a fake GPS location. The good news is you can do it without jailbreaking your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone's GPS location using a simple desktop tool. We'll also test whether the new location appears inside Find My and WhatsApp, so you can see exactly how it works. For this tutorial, I'll be using MagFone Location Changer. It lets you change your iPhone's GPS location directly from your computer without making any permanent changes to iOS. Besides teleporting to any location, it can also simulate movement along a custom route, making it useful for testing location-based features. Let's get started. First, download and install MagFone Location Changer on your Windows PC or Mac. Launch the software and click Start. Then connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, you may be asked to complete a few one-time setup steps, such as trusting your computer or enabling developer mode. Simply follow the on-screen instructions until your device is connected. Once your iPhone is detected, select General Mode to open the map interface. Now choose the location where you want your iPhone to appear. You can either search for a city, address, or landmark, or simply click anywhere on the map. For this demonstration, let's choose Target Location. After confirming the destination, click Start Modifying. Within a few seconds, your iPhone's virtual GPS location is updated. That's it. No jailbreaking, no complicated tweaks, and no risky system modifications. Now let's see if it actually works. I'll open Apple's Find My app and check the device location. As you can see, Find My now shows the new virtual location instead of the phone's real position. So if you're looking for a way to test how Find My responds to a different GPS location, this method gets the job done. Keep in mind that results may vary depending on the app you're using, your iPhone model, and the version of iOS installed. Some apps rely entirely on GPS, while others may also use Wi-Fi or cellular data to determine your location. But there's another feature that's even more interesting. Instead of instantly jumping between locations, MagFone can simulate natural movement. Simply choose two-spot movement, select a starting point and destination, adjust the movement speed, and start the simulation. Your iPhone's virtual location will now travel along the selected route instead of teleporting instantly. To test this, open WhatsApp and tap Share Live Location. You'll see that the simulated movement is reflected there as well, making it appear as though you're actually traveling between the 2 points. This feature can be useful for testing apps that track movement over time rather than just your current location. Besides Find My and WhatsApp, you can also use a virtual GPS location with many other location-based apps and services, making it a handy tool for developers, testers, or anyone experimenting with GPS-based features. And that's how you can change your iPhone's GPS location without jailbreaking it. MagFone Location Changer makes the entire process quick and straightforward, whether you want to teleport to another city or simulate realistic movement. If you'd like to try it yourself, I'll leave the official MagFone Location Changer link in the description below, where you can check supported devices and available features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.